Do you have any last words for my hair? I can't see.
No.
No? So you miss it? Until next time? Until 5 years? It's gonna take me 5 years. It took me 5 years to get it down to my waist.
Yeah, well. As long as you like it, that's all that matters.
I'm about to look how I looked when we first met. 2018 Asia.
I know. I was like, you cutting it like cause you want to, so
I know. Okay, I'm still gonna miss it. Like,
okay, well,
it's literally you miss it after it's gone.
Well, we'll see how far you get.
Hey y'all, I know it's been a super duper long time. Okay, if you've been following me for some years now, you should expect nothing less. Like, okay, I'm feeling some type of way about my hair. These are my locks, which I've never shown you guys yet. I am so sorry. Listen, I'm a first time mother. It's a lot. It's a lot to deal with. I've been gone. Okay, I'm back. Okay, these are my locks. These are not the original locks I installed. I'm gonna show you guys a clip of the locks I installed on my birthday, January 30th, me turning 30 years old. It was a birthday gift to myself to give myself Microlocs. 3 weeks to a month ago, I combined the locks. So right now I have like 130-ish. Yep, 130-ish locks in my head. Now I love them. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, don't ignore this one. Ignore this one. Because I was trying to see how long it would take me to take down one lock, which is 4 to 5 Microlocs into one of these locks. I know. I'll be doing the most. So I was trying to see how long it would take me to take it down. Long story short, too long. I'm about to cut my hair off. My day one subbies know a big chop is nothing new to me. All you gotta do is scroll down, sis. Like, just keep going down to the bottom, count how many times I done chopped my hair. I don't even know what number this is. This is like 4 or 5. I don't know. I don't care. All I know is this hair gotta go. I'm gonna enjoy my hair this time around. I'm not gonna be worried about length, although I am going to get back to my lengthy hair. But it might take me to 40 this time with as much as I plan on doing with my hair. I wanna rock a bob. I wanna do so much. It's like so much that I wanted to do to my hair, but I was just worried about making sure I had length checks for you guys. Don't expect that this time around, because it's not about to happen. I will give you updates on what I'm about to do with my hair. I also will take suggestions on what I should do with my hair. Like, what fun things did you want to do to your hair that you think I should try?